Congratulations on completing this. It's been quite a journey and I'm glad you've taken it with me. If you practiced along with me in this course, you should now have the skills needed to navigate and participate in Web3 and use blockchain applications. You should have a better understanding of Web3 and blockchain, and you should be able to explain the main concepts in an easy to understand way. You should know how to select and set up a wallet and store digital items safely. You should be able to use block explorers and buy and sell and transfer cryptocurrencies. By now, you should have a better understanding of NFTs, DeFi, and you should be equipped with the skills and confidence needed to interact with apps based on blockchain and Web3. I really do hope that you have enjoyed this course and that you've submitted transactions so you can be entered into the draw to win one of the NFTs. And I also hope this is not the end of your journey. Don't forget, you can connect with me via meetups, groups, and social media, and I'd love to see you attend one of my more detailed courses at a later stage. I am really glad that you selected this course. My name is Paula, and thank you for taking this with me.